Instead, he's going to make her feel more like a mother figure to him, and when a lady feels that around a guy, it doesn't make her have sexual sensations. Some females will endure that, but the majority of ladies get frustrated by that kind of relationship dynamic. So, while being high certainly can give a male an advantage in regards to making a woman feel like she would be safe and safeguarded by him if he's a positive person, being tall does not guarantee a man's success with females. As I pointed out previously, when you see people who are taller than a woman, it doesn't always suggest that the man is 6 foot or taller. Often, the person is 510 inch, 59, 58 and so on. Typically speaking, ladies are typically much shorter than men. There are tall ladies out there of course, but generally speaking, ladies are typically much shorter than males. You will likewise see situations where the guy is shorter than the woman. Yet, despite whether a person is taller than 6 foot or is taller than a female and he's 59 or 510 inch or is the very same height as her or he's much shorter, the most essential thing to most women out there is that their instinctive need to feel safe with a man is pleased. He's emotionally strong. He's not a wimpy man. There are many manner-ins which you can make a female feel brought into you as you talk to her, and among those ways is to trigger her instinctive need to feel safe. Making a lady feel what method does not suggest that a person needs to be a hooligan or a bad young boy or anything like that. He's more confident than her. He is not aiming to her for protection from the world around them. She essentially gets the feeling that she can be the woman and he will be the man. Discover more? Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video and discovered something from it. If you wish to find out more about how to draw in ladies so you can enjoy your option of ladies, I recommend that you read my e-book, The Circulation, or listen to the audiobook version, The Circulation on Audio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.